welcome to your third video of animal movements. Can you believe it? I can't. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen today. I'm gonna take you through an entire round of animal movements. Then, when the video is over, I'm gonna challenge you to go off on your own and do 2 more rounds of all of the animal movements. Are you ready? Okay, this animal movement, we're gonna be on our palms and our knees to start. This is called the one-legged donkey kick. So we're gonna kick one leg all the way up, okay? Then we're gonna bring our knee as far as we can to our nose. And then we're gonna kick our leg all the way up, bring our knee to our nose. Kick up, knee to nose, kick up, and then we'll switch to our other leg. So we're gonna start off on any leg you choose, and we're gonna do 10 on each leg. Here we go. Ready, set. Join me, shall you? Okay, switch legs. Woo! Going to try the monkey swing. Okay, so here's how you do the monkey swing. We're gonna act like we're in the jungle, the mighty jungle. You're gonna grab up for your vine right here, and then you're going to swing as you squat down on your vine. Reach up, grab your other vine, squat, and reach for that vine, squat, ooh, and reach for that vine, squat. Maybe you jump and reach for that vine, jump and reach for that vine. Okay, so we're gonna try 10 monkey swings. You can step to the other vine or you can jump to the vine. I will leave that up to you. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Reach. Everybody, we are going to try what we call the crouching tiger. So here's how it works. You're going to get in tabletop position, okay? Now if you look at my toes, they're tucked under, and I'm going to use my muscles, okay, to lift up my knees just a little bit like this, okay? This is crouching tiger position. So you're going to hold this position for 30 seconds. Ready? Set. Let's set the timer. If I can, reach it. There we go. Go. Try to keep your knees off of the ground and your back straight. We're going to stay here for 30 seconds. Okay, this pose, we're gonna call it the lion's pose. And we're gonna have a sleeping lion at first, okay? Now the sleeping lion is gonna be in tabletop position, then it's going to put, as it begins to wake up, it's going to put its paws into high plank, and then as the lion wakes up, okay, the lion is going to jump and give a big roar. I'm not sure what noise that was, but roar. That's more like it. Then it's going to put its paws on the ground, step back to high plank, or the lion could jump back. It's up to you. You can again step up, big roar, step back, or you could jump up, big roar, roar, and then jump back. okay? We're gonna do 10 of those. This one's one of my favorites. This is called the polar bear hug. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna sit crisscross applesauce, your legs crossed. Put one foot up, one foot down, half lotus, I think they call that in yoga. You're gonna take a big, giant breath in through your nose. You're gonna scoop up all the love that's around you, and as you exhale, you're gonna give yourself a big, giant polar bear hug. Okay, so we're gonna give ourselves 5 polar bear hugs right now. Remember, you're inhaling really big, all the love that surrounds you. I know you have a lot of it. And then you're gonna bring all of that love down as you exhale and hug your body. Okay, so we're gonna try that 5 times together. Here we go. 5 big giant polar bear hugs, inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your mouth. Here we go. Maybe on this last one, as you hug yourself, say, I am loved. Here we go. I am loved, because you are loved, my friends. Mwah. Okay, now it is your turn to go and try 2 more rounds of all of the animal movements. Okay, so here they are again. 30 seconds holding the crouching tiger. 10 monkey swings, okay? 10 lion poses, rawr. Then 10 one-legged donkey kicks on each leg, and then 5 big giant polar bear hugs. Have fun, everybody. Love y'all. Mwah.